Hello and welcome back to the GUSEK tutorial for beginners. In this video, you continue learning about PrintF. So, grab a mug of coffee and let us get started. In this tutorial, you will learn to save your results on a text file. You will also learn how to modify them. Let's start by saving the results in a separate text file. Thus, in addition to printing the results on GUSEK's terminal, we will save it. Let's go back to our transportation model. After the PrintF with the results, add the symbol of greater than, followed by the name of the file that you want to save with its extension. For example, quotes result.txt. Run the code. If you open the folder where GUSEK is saved, you see that you have a new file with the name that you gave. In my case, I have a file result.txt. When I open the file, I see the information of the PrintF that I chose to save. Now that you know how to save a PrintF on a file, let me teach you how to modify the file. Let's go back to GUSEK. If you do the same in the next line and add a greater than symbol and the same name of the file like results.txt, you see that the first PrintF was overwritten with the second PrintF. In other words, the text of the first PrintF is gone. To solve the problem and add another PrintF, you need to include the sign of greater than 2 times, as you see on your screen. Try to run the model and reopen the file. Great, now all the results are saved on an external text file. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed saving results on external files with GUSEK. Remember that if you want to practice more, you can access my webpage where I include many exercises with answers. Stay tuned to the upcoming tutorials on GUSEK.